A very warm welcome to this training session of Bosch Home and Garden. My name is Dino Oberle. I'm product trainer of Bosch Home and Garden, and I proudly present you today the new DIY hand tools. They are not only characterized by a very high quality, they also have a lot of intelligent and clever features. And what these features are, that you can work very comfortable and very easy with the tools, we will see now in detail. We have also a set of ratchet combination wrenches in the common sizes from 8 to 19. And as you can see it, you not only can hang it to your wall, you also can take it with you to your working space very easily and very fast. So these wrenches are also secured in this packaging. And if you're on your working space, you can release that, take out the wrench you need. And as you can see, you have a very nice ergonomic handle and they have a very high quality because these wrenches are out of chrome vanadium steel and are nickel coated. And you have here the wrench with 72 teeth. So that means if you want to release or to tighten your screw, it goes very fast, very easy. And you don't have to release every time the wrench if you do that. And if you have not so much space, you also can use the other side very easily of your wrench. And if you have finished your work, you can storage then your wrench, bring it back, hang it to your wall. That's it. Also, ratchet sets should not be missing in a DIY household. For that, we have here these boxes with the ratchets inside with all common sizes you need. And it's very easy, very intuitive to use. Here, you can change between the right-left turning action, and also with that knob, you have here the possibility to fix and to release the sockets very easy, very fast, and the sockets cannot fall down. And of course, here you see with that head, it has a little angle, and so you can go nearby your surface, nearby your small spaces, and you can tighten your screw with a torque up to 93 Newton meters, which is very hard. So that means, if you want to fix your screw very hard, it's working with that tool. And also, if you want to release that, it's very easy, and you can do that very easily, very fast, and can storage it back here in this box and take it back from your working space.